I don't usually do these kinds of videos, but I'm gonna document this because it's just weird. So these guys have been next door working since about the time the spouse got home from work, and it is now like 11 something. It's dark. There's no boil warning out. There's no flooding going on in the street. We have water. We have electricity. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But then they roll up and down like past the house a couple of times and then park back in front of the house and start working. Do you hear them? Look, what? What are they doing? I don't see anything going on. And I swear one other time, like they're always conveniently out working and blocking the sidewalk when I go places. Depending on where I'm headed, almost like to delay me. It's the weirdest thing. Anyways, our room is on the end of the house, and there's a giant tree out there. If you saw, I asked them to cut it down a couple of times. Yes, that's Mary. It's a piece by an Italian artist. I really love it. No, I don't think that she's in it. It's not an idol that way. I like art, but anyways, I just wanted to document that because I thought that it was strange, but what do I know? And there's always the trucks with the baskets, like almost parked down the road at the same houses all the time. It's just weird. Anyways, talk soon. Bye.